Screen recording. Heading.
This is the 200 subscriber special.
Selected. Screen recording. Button.
I hope everyone is doing well.
Selected. Screen recording. Button. Blindfold sound search. Blindfold sounds. Resume. Get lit. Selected. Name that sound. Speech off.
Before I start the gameplay, I want to thank all of you. For
selected. Name that
making
sound.
it possible for me to get to 200 subscribers. I would not be doing this special today without you guys helping me get to 200. And it really means a lot.
Selected. Name that sound.
As you all know, I did a vote. I took a vote to see what all you guys would like for me to do for the special. And the majority of you all said that you wanted blindfold sound search. So
selected.
That's what we're gonna
Name
do.
that sound.
We will be doing the
everyday sound.
Pick our sound pack.
Pick a can't free easy fun animals everyday national anthems.
National anthems.
Find that sound. Selected. Name that sound.
If you hear your country, the national anthem for your country, I want you to let me know in the comments down below if it's for your country.
Selected.
To go back to the main menu, sound is Mexico.
For your support. It means a lot. You guys are the reason that I'm still here today. And that this channel is still going. And it's only because of you guys.
Good going. Continue picking. There are 2 sounds left. Sound
Next
is Russian.
Up.
Congratulations, you got it right.
Good round.
You completed this level in 4 moves, and earned 5 points. Your game score is 5 points. And the fact for completing this level is, the largest ice care system in the world is called Veriful Ice Cafe in Europe. To move to, sound is China. Wrong, sound is China. Sound is Russian. You made it look easy. Make another good guess. There are 3 sounds. Sound is Germany. Sound is Mexico. Sound is Egypt. To move to the next level, swipe up with 1 finger. Sound is Canada. Sound is Germany. Sound is Russian. Sound is Egypt. Sound is China. Perfect. Go again. There are 2 sounds left. Sound is Mexico. Impressive. You completed this level in 8 moves, and earned 13 points. Your game score is 27 points. Sound is Thailand. Sound is China. Sound is Japan. Sound is Egypt. Sound is Mexico. Sound is Germany. You made it look easy. Sound is Russian. Sound is Brazil. Nice. Go again. Sound is Canada. Great. You completed this level in 9 moves, and earned 18 points. Sound is Mexico. Fantastic. Sound is China. Sound is Japan. Sound is Japan. Sound is Egypt. Not. Sound is Egypt.
I must have accidentally hit clicked on the Germany. This is Japan right here. So.
You got it.
Yes.
Pick the next sound. There are 7 sounds left. Sound is Russian.
That's Germany. That's Russia.
You're learning fast. Pick the next sound. There are 6 sounds left. Sound is Brazil. Sound is
Brazil.
You made it look easy. Sound is Ghana. Sound. Sound is Thailand. Sound is Germany. Sound is Canada. Sound is Norway. You're getting better and better. You completed this level in 13 moves, and to move to the next level, swipe up. Sound is South Africa.
Thank you guys so much.
You remembered. Another one, please. There are 12 sounds left. Sound is Brazil. Sound is Brazil. Sound is Japan.
I'm gonna let y'all hear what it says. Some of the things that it says when y'all do get.
How silly. Don't despair. Just keep trying. Sound is Japan. Wrong again. Stick to it. Good try. Good try. Wrong again. Wrong again. Bad pick. Are you Absolute. Absolute. Duh. Try a different. Duh. I believe you. I'm afraid that's not quite. No way. Really? Are you serious? How silly. I believe you're. Absolutely not. We know you'll get better. Good try. I believe you're wrong.
Okay. I'll get it right this time. Gee.
Sound is Thailand.
Let's try this one.
Is that the best you can do? Pick a different sound. Sound is Thailand. Superb. Guess again. There are 9 sounds left. Sound is Canada. Excellent. Do it again. There are 8 sounds left. Sound is Egypt. Sound. Good answer. Give it a whirl. There are 7 sounds left. Sound is China. Sound is China. Great. Another one, please. There are 6 sounds left. Sound is Mexico. Terrific. Do it again. There are 5 sounds left. Sound is Ghana. Sound is Ghana. Sound is Ghana. Nice. Keep improving. There are 4 sounds left. Sound is Germany. Perfect. Pick the next sound. Sound is Norway. Sound is Russian. Sound is New Zealand. Nice. You completed this level in 36 moves, and earned 3 points. Your game score is 68 points. Sound is Canada. Sound is... Congratulations. You got it right. Pick the next sound. Sound is Brazil.
You know what, you guys? I don't want to do a very long special. I do want to just, again, I want to disconnect from my headphone.
Sound is Brazil.
I do want to tell you guys how thankful I am, because without you guys, this channel would not be here today. So again, thank you thank you to from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.